Hi.
Hiya guys, we are going on a trip to Tasmania.
We are in Tasmania.
We are in Tasmania. However, let's go back to our quick little montage of getting to Tasmania. Now, it's okay, I'll rewind it.
Your face mask is properly fitted. Cabin crew, arm doors and cross check.
Guess what?
What?
We just bought $60 worth of chocolate. Yeah!
That's called an investment.
Woo!
So, ice cream. As it says here. Yum. And we're going to go cafe now and have scones.
Good.
Also yum. This beautiful little town in Tassie called Richmond, and of course Emma, of all people, finds a Christmas store.
Hey, Dave in the future here. Just very quickly, I forgot to film a transition between Richmond and the wildlife sanctuary. So consider this the transition. Go.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god. They're pretty cute. I like they're just like.
So, you've seen the desert of Tasmania. Nice.
Oh, the little noses are so cute. Their claws are so big. Ow! I'm almost out. I think I better feed the others. Sorry, guys. Ow! That's aggressive.
Did you want something? No. I'm gonna stop.
It's not a dog.
Sit. Sit. You're such a creep. Here. Have a little. Gentle. Gentle. As you can see, we went a beautiful little drive up to what's called the Picker's Hut to stay in this beautiful hut. However, we get there
And someone else opened the door. And it was not the owner.
Nope.
And they're staying there for last night and tonight.
So we don't have anywhere to stay at the moment, so the owner of the place is trying to organise somewhere else for us to stay. So right now we're just out in the middle of...
On the side of the road.
Side of the road. It's a nice long road.
Waiting with all of our groceries in the car because we were just going to be chilling out.
Yep.
But you know, with Emma and Dave, where we go, adventure follows. So
Pretty much, eh?
bring on the journey.
That's it. And it's our wedding anniversary tomorrow, so what a great, happy anniversary there.
Yes. Mwah.
So that's us in a nutshell, and this is what always happens. And you know what? It's all right. We're on a holiday. We're not at home, and we're enjoying not having to wear masks everywhere we go.
And it makes for good content.
It's all about the content. So we're just going to wait here now to get a phone call to say we have accommodation or a bed booked for tonight, and then we'll go sleep there.
Watch this space.
morning!
Good morning.
And welcome to a cottage. That was not what we booked.
So it's not in the plan.
Not in the plan.
It's okay. It's a very cute cottage.
Exactly. And we are in Tasmania and having a good time already, right?
Yes.
Excellent. And today's a special day because today is
The anniversary.
of our wedding.
Yes.
So happy anniversary. Lovely. It's enough of that for the film. We'll show you the cottage here, so have a little roll of that film.
Oh my love, you're such a fragile thing, I know. And with the winter comes the ice, the snow, but I'm here to hold. And oh my love, don't worry about the cold just yet.
What we're going to do now is have a little walk around the grounds here, and then our place should be ready in about 20 minutes or so. Yes. And then we'll show you what we should have stayed in last night. Sounds good?
Yes.
Yes.
The trees haven't started to shed. Just feel the summer sun as it warms our bed. I'm lying, and I'm lying when I say I'm not afraid.
Ready to go?
Let's go.
So guys, welcome to
Welcome.
the Picker's Hut. There. Oh, sorry dear, come back in the footage.
Oh, thanks, mate.
Thank you so much. There's a shadow on your face, Let's go that way.
Still
Still
shadow
shadow
on
on
my
my
face.
The plan now, next 24 hours is just relax, relax, relax. Enjoy the fireplace. There's some wine. It's all you can drink. The owners have been really, really nice to us today. So I think we will definitely have a wonderful 24 hours. Yeah?
I think so.
Yeah. So let's roll the footage of what the hut looks like now.
Gravel road, I've been asked to slow down. Fireplace, do you know how? Piles of paper, my desk is out. Who will care for the world out? Rest with me, close to curtains, brew some herbal tea. Reach out for me, take my hand and lead even when I disagree. Oh, how I love when it rains outside, and it's okay to slow the ride. Discover books I forget about, but who care for the world now?
Here we are cooking dinner for our anniversary. Alright, so we are cooking pies tonight for our anniversary dinner. I have already finished this bottle of wine on my own and feeling pretty good. Thoughts, dear? Just give it a thumbs up in case you can't see.
Thumbs up because you're cooking, baby.
That's it, I'm cooking by putting the pies in the oven and done.
Is that all you can manage on that wine?
So I can manage on a bottle of wine. So that's our night. Please enjoy this beautiful night lapse
and we will see you in the morning. Oh, pies are ready.